Is nature a gigantic cat? And if so, who strokes its back?
May I introduce the brilliant Nikola Tesla, the greatest inventor of the age.
If you Google Nikola Tesla, you get 34 million results. It's basically just 4 pictures. Beyond that, things get murky and more imaginative.
Thomas Alva Edison. Got a light? Oh, Tesla. Didn't see you there before.
I now have the pleasure of introducing you to a novel system of energy, alternate currents. This will transform the way the world works.
No sparks. It's perfect. Where have you been hiding?
Alternating current is a waste of time. Impractical and deadly.
You live in your head.
Doesn't everyone?
You lack funding.
Mr. Tesla thinks I owe him money. What was it, $50,000?
Yes. Anne Morgan, daughter of J. Pierpont Morgan.
A woman like that can make all your dreams come true.
All my dreams are true.
You want lemonade?
You work at night in a secret laboratory. You shoot lightnings from the earth to the sky.
If I'm trying to tame Wildcat, and I've become nothing but a mass of bloody scratches.
How you like being scratched?
If necessary.
The world we are living in is a dream that Tesla dreamed first.